SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change font size on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If the font size on your iPhone is either currently too small or too large, then you can change it by adjusting an option in the settings menu. You can do this by opening the settings app. You can then scroll down and select the display and brightness option, and then you can choose text size from the list of options on this menu. Now you just need to drag this slider at the bottom of the screen to the left to make the text smaller, or you can drag it to the right to make it bigger. If the largest text size on this menu isn't as large as you would like it to be, then we can go back to the main settings menu, and then you can select the accessibility option, and then you can choose display and text size on this menu, and then you can select the larger text option up here. Now you just need to enable the larger accessibility sizes option, and then you can adjust this slider to make the text even bigger, or you can make it one of the smaller sizes there as well.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.